Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vegan Khane. Today I want to talk to you about the natural lifestyle. Since around 2.5 years ago that I started my vegan journey, at the beginning with some doubts and some questions and some little relapses for a couple of times, and then with more passion and determination, I started to take natural lifestyle more seriously. I guess it's around 2 years that I haven't used any chemical stuff on my body, despite beside one or two occasions, because my hands were pretty, dirty with some kind of oil or something. Other than that, I don't use any shampoo, any soap, and stuff like that. I want to show you this, if you look at me and look at my skin, it's more, I don't know if it's, these are the slimy and wet part of water, not watermelon, melon, between the fruit, and occasionally when I have the time and the opportunity, I use them on my body. I put them on my skin and my head. You can see these are the stuff between melons. خربزه in Farsi we call it خربزه. I don't know what we should call or melon sometimes in English. And my fundamental belief is this: nature is the answer. We don't need something out of nature, especially chemical stuff like shampoo and soap. They kill a lot of microorganisms on our body, because our body, our skin is a wonderful and is a very complicated ecosystem for itself, and we usually kill them, all of those creatures, little creatures on our body, with chemical stuff. And those chemical stuff pollute our underground water. Many creatures probably get killed, little and big, for those kind of water pollution. It damages ourselves. In these 2 years, my hair get better, even better. I was losing all of my hair in this area, but they are growing back a little bit, and my skin is getting much better. I'm looking younger than my age, and stuff like that. I don't pay any money for buying soap and shampoo, and I don't create waste and garbage because of their bottles, the packaging, All in all, I guess the more we get back to nature, the better. And yes, our civilization is based on, our current civilization is based on the promotion of consumerism. We are a bunch of consumers. And it's not good. It's not good. We are destroying the planet Earth. We are damaging other creatures, including animals, to produce those consumer stuff. and by consuming them, of course. And of course, we are damaging our own health. It's cheaper, it's less expensive, you don't need to work a lot to buy those stuff. Actually, my minimalist lifestyle is allowing me to work very, very, very minimally. Sometimes I don't work. I have a very little amount of money that comes from renting a shop. I have a little share in it, and I'm satisfied with that. I buy ugly fruits, I live minimally, and I'm mostly happy about it. So, think about it. Natural way of living. And please don't destroy the planet by consuming. Consumption is not a very good idea. Overconsumption, I mean. We had to consume some stuff to stay alive, but believe me, 90% of things that you are consuming as an average consumer is not necessary. It's just a stupid addiction. Yeah, that's the truth, whether you like it or not. Have a great time. Bye-bye.